I start in the name of Allah, who is most gracious and most merciful. Assalamu alaikum everyone. So we are here with spoken English course, and today is day 7. So first, before starting, you remember that in day 6 we started vocabulary. We started gathering different words, names of different items, different things. So I told you when we were doing day 6 that day 7 will be the same with some new words, some eatables, some trees, plants, and especially the flags of different countries. We will watch the flags of different countries with the name of the country, their capital and their currency. So by this, what basically we are doing is we are increasing our vocabulary words. I told you that day in day 6 that if you want to be a good English speaker, you have to collect maximum amount of words. That is called vocabulary. If you have vocabulary with you, if you have large amount of words with you, then you will speak more fluent than as you are doing before. So remember, before starting, I will again repeat that those who are watching this day 7 but they have not watched from day 1 to day 6, this is useless for you to watch day 7 only. So first, please start from day 1, because this is continuity. This is not spoken English only day 7. This is complete course of 18 to 20 days. When I say 18 to 20 days, I promise you that in these 18 to 20 days, you will find yourself, you will find a big change in your speaking, you will get speaking power, you will get fluency, you will correct your pronunciation with Sir Javed Aziz. And now, I will repeat that those who are starting the complete spoken English course from day 1, you have to take a notebook. On daily basis, whatever Sir Javed has told you from day 1, you have to note it down in your diary from day 1. Second work that you have to do is that daily start learning 2 new English words. That I told you, that open dictionary and start reading the words in dictionary. There are thousands of words. So when you will find the word that yes, this word like gobsmacked or some other word, when you will see yes, this word I have never listened before, I don't know the meaning, I have never heard this word before. So then what you will do, you will note 2 words from dictionary on daily basis in your diary, and then what you will do, you will write the meanings. After writing the meaning of that word, after understanding it properly, what you have to do is that you will make at least 2 sentences from each word. This work you have to do on daily basis. When you will do this work daily, remember that this spoken English course will be very beneficial for you. So let's start today's work. Vocabulary, and this is spoken English day 7. So first, today when we are starting vocabulary, we are doing it with plants and trees. You will see the picture and you will pronounce the word with me. I am pronouncing each name twice. So you will understand the pronunciation and you will go with that. So the first, we are starting with plants and trees, different plants and trees. So first we will say wildflower, wildflower. If teacher is saying flower, flower is also correct, but good pronunciation is flower, wildflower. Thistle, thistle. This plant is called thistle. Mushroom, mushroom. Weed, weed. Fern, fern. Herb, herb. Reed, reed. Bamboo, bamboo. Palm tree, palm tree. Corn, corn. Apple tree, apple tree, orange tree, orange tree, banana tree, banana tree, mango tree, mango tree. You have to concentrate on teacher's voice, and you will pronounce as teacher is doing it for you. Please, if you want to correct your pronunciation, then you have to repeat with teacher. So please do it with me. Now we come to food and drink. Cheese, cheese, eggs, eggs, butter, butter, cream, cream, ice cream, ice cream, yogurt, yogurt, bread, bread, sandwich, sandwich, sausage, sausage, pizza, pizza, hot dog, hot dog, hamburger, hamburger, roast chicken, roast chicken, steak, steak, fish, fish, donuts, donuts, chips, chips. You also call it French fries, noodles, noodles, kebab, kebab, biscuits, biscuits. You can also call it cookies, cookies, soft drink, soft drink, milkshake, milkshake, soft drink, milkshake. Now we will go with country, capital, currency and flag. Afghanistan is a country. You can see the flag of Afghanistan over here. This is the flag of Afghanistan. So Afghanistan is country. Kabul is its capital. Capital of Afghanistan is Kabul, and Afghani is their currency. Afghanistan is country. Kabul is its capital. Afghani is the currency that is used in Afghanistan. Argentina, Argentina, Buenos Aires. Buenos Aires is the capital of Argentina. Peso is their currency. Peso is their currency. Australia, Canberra is their capital. Australian dollar is their currency. Australia, Canberra and Australian dollar. Bangladesh, Bangladesh, Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. Taka is their currency. Taka is the currency of Bangladesh. Canada, Ottawa is the capital. Canada, Ottawa is the capital of Canada. Canadian dollar is their currency. Canadian dollar is their currency. Canada, Ottawa, Canadian dollar. China, China, Beijing. The capital of China is Beijing. Yuan is their currency. Yuan is their currency. Egypt, Egypt. Cairo is the capital. Cairo is the capital. Egypt, Cairo. Egyptian pound is their currency. Egyptian pound is their currency. France. Paris is the capital of France. Paris is the capital of France. Euro. Euro is its currency. France, Paris, Euro. Germany, Berlin is its capital. Germany, Berlin. Euro is their currency. Germany, Berlin, Euro. India, New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital. Rupee is the currency of India. We call it Indian rupee also. India, New Delhi, and rupee. Indian rupee is their currency. Iran, Tehran is the capital of Iran. Iran's capital is Tehran. Rial is their currency. Iran, Tehran, and Rial is its currency. Iraq, Baghdad is the capital of Iraq. Iraq's capital is Baghdad. Iraqi dinar is its currency. Iraqi dinar is its currency. Japan, we call it Japan also. Japan, Tokyo is the capital of Japan. Japan's capital is Tokyo. Yen is its currency. Japan's currency is called yen. Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur is the capital of Malaysia. Malaysia's capital is Kuala Lumpur. Ringgit is the currency used in Malaysia. Malaysian's currency is ringgit. Kuwait, capital is Kuwait City. Currency is Kuwaiti dinar. Kuwait is the country, Kuwait City is the capital, and Kuwaiti dinar is the currency. Libya, Tripoli is the capital of Libya. Libya's capital is Tripoli. Libyan dinar is its currency. Libya, Tripoli, and Libyan dinar. Pakistan is our country. Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. And our currency is Pakistani rupee. We call it Pakistani rupee. Saudi Arabia, Riyadh is its capital. Saudi Arabia's capital is Riyadh. Riyal is its currency. Saudi currency is Riyal. Sri Lanka, Colombo is the capital of Sri Lanka. Sri Lankan capital is Colombo. Sri Lanka's capital is Colombo. Sri Lankan rupee is its currency. Sri Lankan rupee is currency used in Sri Lanka. Zimbabwe, Harare is the capital of Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe's capital is Harare. And Zimbabwean dollar is the currency used in Zimbabwe. Switzerland, Bern is the capital. Switzerland capital is Bern. Swiss franc is their currency. Switzerland's currency is Swiss franc. United States of America, in short, USA. United States of America. Its capital is Washington, D.C. Washington, D.C. is the capital of United States. Dollar is the currency used in USA. United States of America, its currency is dollar. United Arab Emirates, we call it UAE. United Arab Emirates. Abu Dhabi is the capital. Abu Dhabi is the capital of United Arab Emirates. UAE dirham is its currency. UAE dirham is the currency of UAE, that is United Arab Emirates. United Kingdom. United Kingdom. London is its capital. London is the capital of United Kingdom. Pound sterling. Pound sterling is its currency. United Kingdom, we also call it UK. United Kingdom, its capital is London and its currency is pound sterling. So, today we have completed vocabulary session. Day 8, we are going to do a new activity that will be very beneficial and very interesting for students who are doing this spoken English course. But again, I repeat that please start from day 1. Then it will be very beneficial for you. At the end, ending this day 7, I will tell you thank you for watching. Please subscribe YFC, your family channel, and press the bell icon. When you subscribe the channel, this will be return for my hard working that is I am doing for you, and you have to press the bell icon for yourself so that when I will upload day 8, as soon as I will upload the day 8 video, soon you will get the intimation that yes, day 8 is there. So work hard for your spoken English course and love you all. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.